Now what I'd like to do is take it to the next level. From here, I'm going to do the technique with a training partner holding a sword at me and saying on okamai. With this exercise, my training partner is going to thrust at my head with the sword. To practice this and to develop the correct timing of the technique, as the sword comes at me, I want to make sure that I don't pivot off to one side or the other. Rather, I want to lower my body straight down, in balance, maintaining my eye contact the entire way through the technique. So do that again. Important points here are to make sure that you don't become imbalanced when you go down to the ground. In other words, when you go straight down, you should still have composure in your kamae. Roll, maintaining eye contact the complete way around, and come up into a strong posture when you finish. For training, you should also practice when you come up into that posture, maintain it for no less than 3 seconds. So again, and to the other side.